Hey y'all, this is Zac with Hostetler Roofing. April 4th, 2022, a hailstorm came through the Hope, Arkansas area and created quite a bit of damage, including this roof on the First Methodist Church. And a couple days later, they called us saying they were having some leaks, so we went over there, checked it out. We discovered that they do have a lot of hail damage, which was causing the leaks. We and them both got in touch with their insurance. We worked with their insurance, and by May 25th, we were starting on their roof project. We installed the 60 mil single-ply PVC from IV. We gave them a 20-year warranty on that, which is backed by the manufacturer. We put all new metal on the mansard around the church. We put new metal on the steeple. We also installed a new malarkey shingle roof on the sanctuary area, reshingled the parsonage and the outbuildings. It was a real pleasure working with Miss Kelly and the board at the church. If you have any storm damage or you think your roof needs attention, give us a call today at 870-557-4797 and we'll give a free inspection.